In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to try Notion's new sidebar. We'll walk through exactly where to find the option, how to turn it on, and a couple of tips so you feel comfortable experimenting with the new layout. First, make sure you have Notion open on your computer. You can do this in the desktop app or in a browser. The steps are the same. Once you're in your workspace, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small menu icon or a label for settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where Notion keeps most of the options that control how the app looks and behaves. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled General. This section usually includes basic preferences like language, appearance, and new feature toggles. Click on General to open it. Take a moment to scroll through this section slowly so you don't miss the option we're looking for. Within the general settings, you should see a toggle or switch labeled something like Try the new sidebar or New sidebar experience. When this option is turned off, you'll be using the classic sidebar layout. To enable the new design, simply click on that toggle. It should change color or move position to show that it's now turned on. As soon as you enable it, Notion may refresh or slightly rearrange the left-hand side of the screen. That's your new sidebar in action. Give it a moment to load, then take a quick look around. You might notice changes in how pages are grouped, how icons appear, or how quickly you can jump between workspaces and favorites. There's also a second way to turn this feature on, which can be handy if you're already looking at your profile. At the top of the Notion window, you'll see your profile area. This might show your initials or a profile picture. Click on that profile section. A small menu or panel should appear with personal settings and account-related options. In this profile menu, look again for the same toggle option to Try the new sidebar. Just like before, click on the toggle to enable it. The sidebar will update once more to reflect the new layout. Once the new sidebar is active, spend some time clicking through your pages and workspaces to get used to it. If you find you're not ready to commit to the new design, you can always return to either the Settings menu under General or your Profile menu, and switch the toggle off to go back to the old sidebar.